Gather round, children. Let me tell you about how I burned my face and embarrassed myself at work, at an extremely sad funeral, and even at home. See, the first time that I did the chemical peel, it was successful. But the second time, as you can see, I burned my face. And it was bad. Talk about, I decided to go to some amazing Friday night festival thing the day after I did the chemical peel. Oh, honey, that was a huge mistake. Huge. But you know what? Let's just talk about the happy days. Although I looked like this for maybe 2 weeks, it cleared up and it even looks better now. So I'm happy about that. But that was a long 2 weeks. It really was. All because I'm trying to get rid of hyperpigmentation that I did to myself by popping my pimples. And I'm not going to stop popping my pimples or doing the chemical peel. So I did learn my lesson. Next time I do it, don't wipe so hard.